What if I told you that people in the US and UK are quitting boring side jobs because AI is now helping them make money faster and easier than ever? Yes. We're talking about real people who are using free or cheap AI tools to create, sell, and earn without fancy degrees or years of experience. In 2025, a huge trend is happening. From teenagers in London to parents in New York, everyone is testing AI-powered side hustles that can make anywhere from $50 to even $500 a day. And here's the crazy part. Most of these side hustles don't need coding, marketing, or design skills. You just need a laptop, internet, and the willingness to try. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 of the hottest AI side hustles that Americans and Brits are rushing to try right now. I'll explain what they are, which tools you need, and how you can start in less than a day. Stay with me till the end, because I'll give you a bonus 6th hustle that almost no one is talking about, but it can quiet people a lot of money. Ready? Let's dive into hustle number 1. Right now, thousands of small businesses in the US and UK are desperate for good social media content. But here's the problem. They don't have time to make it, and they can't afford big marketing agencies. This is where you can step in. Using tools like Canva Magic Studio and ChatGPT, you can create ready-to-post Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and Facebook posts for them in minutes. No expensive camera, no editing nightmare. Just type what you want, click a few buttons, and boom, it's done. Why it works: businesses need to post every day to stay visible. But when you offer them 20 to 30 posts a month for a fixed price, say $200 for $100, they see it as a bargain. And for you, it's easy work because AI does 70% of it. How to start? Pick your niche. Local cafes, gyms, real estate agents, or even personal trainers. Make 5 sample posts. Use Canva Magic Studio to design them and ChatGPT to write captions. Send samples to local businesses, email them, or message on Instagram. Hey, I made these free post ideas for your page. Want me to create a full month's content? Offer a starter package to 10 posts for $100, then upsell to bigger monthly plans. Earning potential: if you have just 5 clients paying $300 a month, that's $1,500 a month. And here's the magic: you can automate most of it by scheduling posts using free tools like Buffer or Later. Extra tip: add short-form videos to your service. Even AI tools like Pictory or CapCut AI can turn text into videos that look professional. This instantly makes your service more valuable and lets you charge more. This hustle works great because you're resolving a real pain point for businesses staying active online without wasting their time. And once they trust you, they rarely leave, which means recurring income for you every month. Next, I'll show you hustle number 2, how people are using AI to sell digital products that earn money while they sleep. Imagine earning money while you're asleep. That's exactly what is happening for a lot of people in the US and UK right now, thanks to AI-generated digital products. There are things you can sell online again and again without ever running out. Examples: printable planners, kids' activity books, ebooks, digital art, social media templates. Once you create them, you can sell the same file to thousands of people forever. How AI makes it easy: before AI, making an ebook or planner took weeks. Now use ChatGPT to write guides, stories, or activity ideas. Use Canva Magic Studio to design beautiful layouts. Use Midjourney or DALL-E to create unique illustrations. You can have a full product ready in a single day. Where to sell? Etsy, perfect for planners, art, and templates. Amazon KDP, great for ebooks, journals, and low-content books. Gumroad for selling directly to your audience via social media. Example: let's say you create a 30-day fitness journal. ChatGPT writes the content. Canva makes it pretty. You list it on Etsy for $10. If 5 people buy it per day, that's $50. Day equals $1,500 month, without extra work after the first setup.
Extra tip: bundle products together for more value.
For example, sell a wedding planning kit. That includes a checklist, a budget sheet, a seating chart, all made in Canva and written with AI. You can charge $30 plus for the bundle instead of $10 for one product. This hustle is powerful because once the product is made, your job is mostly done. It's like planting a money tree that keeps giving fruit every day. Next, I will show you Hustle #3, how people are using AI to make voiceovers and audiobooks for clients who pay big. Have you ever listened to an ad, a YouTube video, or an audiobook and thought, wow, that voice sounds so professional? Well, guess what? Many of those voices in 2025 aren't even human, they're generated. Why this works? Businesses, YouTubers, and authors need clear, engaging voiceovers. But hiring a real voice actor can be expensive, sometimes $200 for just a few minutes of audio. AI tools like Eleven Labs, Murph AI, and Lovo AI can create natural-sounding voices in any tone or accent. Instantly. How to start? Pick a niche. Adds explicable videos, audiobooks, or even character voices for games. Use ChatGPT to write the script, or let the client give you one. Feed the script into your AI voice tool and adjust tone, speed, and emotion. Send the final audio to the client in MP3 or WAV format, earning potential short YouTube intro voiceover, $20, $50 each. Audiobook narration, $100, $300 per project. Add voiceovers, $50, $200 each. Even with just 10 to 15 small orders a month, you could be making $1,000 plus. Where to find clients? Fiverr. Create gigs for voiceover work. Upwork. Bid on projects for audiobooks and ads. A CX Amazon audiobook exchange. Connect with authors who need narration. Extra tip: offer multiple accents: British, American, Australian using AI. This makes you look like an entire voiceover agency instead of just one person. AI voiceover work is fast, in demand, and super profitable, especially for people who never wanted to talk into a microphone. Next, I'll show you Hustle #4, how AI is helping people create custom online courses and sell them for hundreds of dollars. What if you could sell your knowledge to hundreds of people without spending months making slides, writing lessons, and recording videos? That's exactly what people in the US and UK are doing right now, thanks to AI-powered course creation. Why it works: online learning is exploding. From cooking to coding to business skills, people are paying for step-by-step guidance. But creating a course used to take weeks. Now, with AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva Magic Studio, and Synthesia.io, you can make a professional course in days, not months. How to start? Pick a topic you know a little about. Can quickly research. Example: how to start a small business, or a beginner's guide to graphic design. Use ChatGPT to outline all lessons, write scripts, and prepare quizzes. Design slides in Canva Magic Studio with visuals and examples. Record videos without showing your face using AI presenters on Synthesia.io. Earning potential: let's say you make a course priced at $49. If 50 people buy it in a month, that's $2,450. And if you put it on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable, it can keep selling while you sleep. Example: create a 30-day social media growth course. AI writes the lessons and captions. Canva makes the designs. Synthesia turns scripts into talking instructor videos. You finish in one weekend, it sells for months or years. Extra tip: bundle your course with digital downloads like templates or checklists so you can charge more. People love getting bonus value. Creating courses with AI lets you turn your skills, or even just research, into a high-ticket product. And the best part? You make it once, and it can pay you forever. Next, I'll show you Hustle #5. How people are using AI to offer chatbot customer service for businesses who will happily pay you monthly. Have you ever messaged a company online and got an instant reply? Chances are it wasn't a human. It was an AI chatbot answering your question. Why this works: businesses in the US and UK are flooded with customer questions every day. Answering them takes time, and hiring staff is expensive. AI chatbots like those built with ManyHat, Tideo, or BotPreskin handle 80% of customer service automatically. And here's the opportunity. Most small businesses have no idea how to set these up. That's where you come in. How to start? Pick a small business. Niche restaurants, online shops, gyms, real estate agents. Learn one chatbot tool. ManyHat is the easiest. Offer to set up an AI bot that can answer FAQs, take bookings, or send product details instantly. Charge a setup fee plus a monthly maintenance fee. Earning potential: setup fee $150, $500 one time, monthly fee. $50, $200 for updates and improvements. If you set up bots for 10 clients paying $100 a month, that's $1,000 a month recurring income even if you barely touch them after setup. Example: a pizza shop needs a bot to take orders via Facebook Messenger. You ask ChatGPT to write friendly messages, build the bot flow in ManyHat, connect it to their menu and ordering system. In one day their bot is livened. They pay you every month to keep it running. Extra tip: offer extra features like sending discount codes or reminders. The more useful the bot, the longer the client will stay with you. This hustle is amazing because once the bot is set up, it runs 24/7 without you doing much work. It's like giving businesses an extra employee that never sleeps in. They'll happily pay you for it. Next, we'll wrap up this video with a quick recap. And I'll give you the bonus hustle I promised at the start. So far, we've covered 5 powerful AI side hustles that people in the US and UK are rushing to try. AI social media content creation, helping businesses post daily. AI digital products, selling planners, books, and templates forever. AI voiceovers and audiobooks, earning from professional-sounding voices. AI online courses, selling your knowledge for high profits. AI chatbot customer service, getting paid monthly for automation. Each of these can be started with little to no upfront cost and can grow into a full-time income. Your bonus hustle, AI-powered resume and cover letter service. This one is blowing up in 2025. Millions of people are looking for jobs, and they need professional resumes and cover letters to stand out. With tools like ChatGPT, KickResume, and Canva, you can write a resume tailored for any job, create a beautiful modern design in minutes, craft a matching cover letter that impresses recruiters. How to start offer your service on Fiverr or Upwork. Charge $20, $50 per resume, more if you bundle it with a cover letter and LinkedIn profile optimization. Use AI to write everything fast, then just polish the details. If you do just 2 orders a day at $40 each, that's $2,400 month all from helping people get jobs. This hustle works because everyone needs its students, professionals, career changers, and they're willing to pay to look good on paper. In the next and final section, we wrap everything up, and I'll share a quick action plan so you can pick your hustle and start today. Now you've seen how powerful AI can be for making extra income. From social media content creation to digital products, from voiceovers to chatbots, these side hustles are already changing lives in the US and UK. The truth is, the hardest part is not learning the tools. It's actually starting. Most people watch videos like this, feel inspired, and then do nothing. But the ones who take action, even if they start small, see results fast. Your action plan: pick one hustle from today's list. Spend just 1 hour learning the main AI tool you'll need. Offer your service or product to your first client, even if it's free, to get practice. Improve as you go. I will do most of the heavy lifting for you. If you're serious about earning with AI in 2025, now's the perfect time. The competition is still low, demand is high, and the tools are smarter than ever. Remember, you don't need to master all 5 hustles. Just one can change your income. And the sooner you start, the sooner you can see your first sale or payment notification. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more AI money-making ideas. And drop a comment telling me which hustle you were going to try first. I'll reply with extra tips to help you start. Here's to your AI-powered success.